Alright, today we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies from scratch. Not a how-to video, just my journey of going through the process of trying to figure it out. First thing I do is brown some butter. This is one of them big bricks. I'm going to use about 2/3 of it. I worked in a diner in breakfast, served all day long. When we cooked our eggs, we cooked them in real butter. And we would not drop the eggs in until the butter started to brown just a little bit. The boss was animate about the butter caramelizing before we put the egg in. We were a very successful diner. Alright, next we're going to do our chocolate chip cookies. Just trying to make a small batch. This is leftover starter. I'm going to add my salt right now. Just the egg yolk. Just a wee bit of vanilla. A wee bit of baking powder, a little bit of baking soda from the freezer. I'm just going to go with the natural sugar instead of buying grain sugar and brown sugar, and I'm going to live this experiment. The sugar already has the natural molasses on it. Turbinado. Just using the all-purpose flour, the organic all-purpose flour. I haven't added any water. The starter had plenty of water in it. The eggs got water in it. I can smell that molasses on the sugar. I never really wanted to be a baker before. I don't know what the hell's going on. Good news, I'm working up a sweat, and I was freezing earlier. Got a little bit of chocolate here. We're going to cover this, put it in the refrigerator, and let it sit for at least an hour. I know what I forgot. Hope this doesn't mess me up. Caramelized with the crunchies. Yep, this changes everything. There we go. That looks better. I let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. It's been about 22 minutes. We're going to call them done. Salt on top. I picked one of the best looking cookies out. More of a cake than a cookie. Let's try it out. Okay. That's good. It's not what I was shooting for, but it's good. In summary, don't be afraid to try baking. Never too late to start, experiment. If you have an idea, follow it. Peace out.